going on, guys? Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Busenitz indoor super shoe from Adidas. Now, I've been skating Busenitz's shoes for the past 4 years straight, non-stop. Had the ones for like 3 years, and that was my favorite shoe. Then I got sent these Busenitz IIs, and I've been really liking them, but you know, they kind of got a little bit of a thicker sole, right? So it's kind of weird to get used to, and I'm looking at these, and these things have a much thinner sole. I'm curious to see how they skate, because honestly, I don't even know if I need that much extra rubber in between, you know, me and my board, right? So these things, I'm holding them up right now, and they feel much lighter than the Busenitz IIs. So I'm wondering if that's going to compromise the durability of these shoes, just because, you know, they're much lighter and they're called the indoor super. So not sure if they're like designed even for like a bunch of hard days of skating in a row, but yeah, that's what we're here to do. We're gonna strap them on and do some skating, try to see how they feel. Alright guys, next up, the round bar. You know this thing is the death of me, so I'm gonna try to get a few tricks on it. Alright, now it's time for the hard tricks. To be honest, I'm kind of scared of 50-50 around bars, so I'm surprised I got those both first try. Alright, time to skate the hip. Alright guys, starting to get pretty hot out here. Before I wrap things up, I'm going to try to relearn a trick I haven't done in years. It's gonna be a Fakie frontside big spin heel flip. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, so that's a wrap for my first session in these Busenitz indoor supers. And first thing, right when I put them on, instantly felt broken in. Just super comfortable. And something I liked about them was that it sucked right to my foot, right? In the Busenitz IIs, I had a little bit of space that was kind of bothering me, and my foot was like moving around inside the shoe. With these, perfectly sucked to my foot and just felt like I had an incredible amount of board feel. Especially when I was trying that Fakie big heel at the end, I could feel my foot kind of grabbing the edge of the board, kind of bending the shoe, so that definitely helped. And to be honest, it didn't really feel like there was a lot less padding in terms of like impact or, you know, like they would hurt my feet over time. It just felt like just the rubber that you didn't need was removed. Now for the durability, I skated for about 2 hours nonstop, did a lot of ollies and, you know, flipped my board a lot at the end. Right here you could see it already starting to rip after one day, so you know, I can see if you're non-stop flipping your board that these might rip, but you know, I've gotten to the stage where I've been skating for 20 years now, and like this is my passion. So these shoes are $100. I don't mind spending the money to skate something that I'm gonna skate my best in and like really enjoy it. So, I mean, if you're on a budget, might not be the best shoe for you, but for me, these things were ready to be skated the second I opened them out of the box, and yeah, just the board feel and everything were great. So highly recommend these if you could afford them. And yeah, definitely think I'm going to be skating these from now on. And in the comments below, let me know if you've ever skated a shoe that was this style before, and let me know your thoughts. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.